realize, 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 scratched, scratch, scratch, galloping, 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 paddled, 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 sniffed, 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 gentle, 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 curly, 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 peaceful, 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 realize. I didn't realize how important English was until I started preparing for IELTS exam. She realized that regular practice helps her speaking English more confidently. Galloping. The horse is galloping across the open field very quickly. I was excited to see two horses galloping along the beach at sunset. Scratched. The kitten scratched my hand while we were playing together. The puppy scratched the wooden door because it wanted to go outside. Paddled. The duckling paddled across the pond with its mother. We paddled a small boat on a lake during our family holiday. Sniffed. The puppy sniffed the flowers before running back to its owner. The dog sniffed my bag because it could smell the food inside. Gentle. The horse is very gentle, so even young children can ride it. My grandfather has a gentle voice that makes everyone feel calm. Curly. The lamb has soft, curly wool that keeps it warm. My sister has curly hair and many people compliment her on it. Peaceful. The countryside is peaceful, so I enjoy spending my weekends there. We had a peaceful picnic by the lake while listening to the bird singing. Reading. The Baby Farm Adventure. On a beautiful spring morning, the sun was shining and a fresh air filled the countryside. A little girl named Emma visited her grandparents' farm. She loved animals and was excited to meet all the baby farm animals. The first animal she saw was a calf. The baby calf was drinking milk from its mother. It has a soft brown fur and big, gentle eyes. Emma carefully patted its head and the calf happily wagged its tail. Next, Emma found a fluffy lamb jumping around a green field. The lamb followed its mother everywhere and enjoyed eating fresh grass. It looked happy and full of energy. Near the muddy pond, a pink piglet was rolling in the mud with his brothers and sisters. Emma laughed because the piglets looked funny with muddy noses and curly tails. The farmer explained that mud helped pigs stay cool on hot days. In a stable, a young foal stood beside its mother. The foal has long legs and loves running around the field. It was curious and gentle, sniffed Emma's hand before galloping away. Not far away, a yellow duckling was swimming behind its mother in a small pond. The tiny duckling paddled quickly with its little feet and happily quacked as it splashed in the water. In the chicken coop, Emma watched a little chick scratching the ground for tiny insects and seeds. The fluffy chick stayed close to its mother because it was still learning about the world. Behind the farmhouse, a playful puppy chased a butterfly while a curious kitten climbed a small tree. The puppy barked happily and the kitten meowed softly before jumping back to the ground. As the sun began to set, Emma sat on a wooden fence and looked across the peaceful farm. She realized that every baby animal was different, but they all needed love, food, water, their families to grow strong and healthy. Emma smiled and said, "I can't wait to visit the farm again." Question. Question 1. Where did Emma go? Question 2. What was the calf doing? Question 3. Why did the piglet roll in the mud? Question 4. Which baby animal followed its mother in the pond? Question 5. What did the chick look for on the ground? Question 6. Which baby animal climbed a tree? Question 7. What did the foal do after sniffing Emma's hand? Question 8. What did Emma learn about the baby animals? Question 9. Which baby animal barked happily? Question 10. Do you think Emma enjoyed her visit? Why? Answers. Answer 1. She went to her grandparents' farm. Answer 2. It was drinking milk from its mother. Answer 3. They rolled in the mud to stay cool. Answer 4. The duckling. Answer 5. Tiny insects and seeds. Answer 6. The kitten. Answer 7. It gallops away. Answer 8. They all needed love, food, water, and their families to grow. Answer 9. The puppy. Answer 10. Yes, because she smiled and said she wanted to visit again. Listen to the story and answer the question. Emma and Tom are having a picnic on a beautiful farm. They are sitting on a green blanket under a big tree. Tom is eating a delicious sandwich and Emma is drinking a bottle of milk. In front of them there is a picnic basket. Inside the basket there are bananas, grapes and a red apple. There are many baby animals around them. A cute kitten is sitting in the tree and looking at the children. A friendly puppy is standing behind the tree. A young calf is lying on the grass next to Emma. A fluffy lamb is eating fresh grass near the fence. A little chick is standing on a rock and a yellow duckling is paddling happily in the pond. In the background there is a red barn, a wooden fence and some green fields. 3 birds are flying in a blue sky. The weather is warm and sunny, so everyone look happy. Emma and Tom enjoy spending time with the animals because they love the peaceful countryside. Question. Part A. True or false? Question 1. Emma and Tom are having a picnic. Question 2. Tom is drinking milk. True or false? Question 3. The kitten is in the tree. True or false? Question 4. The puppy is in the pond. True or false? Question 5. The duckling is swimming in the water. True or false? Part B. Multiple choices. 6. Question 6. Where are the children? A. At school. B. On a farm. C. At the beach. Question 7. What is Tom eating? A. A hamburger. B. A sandwich. C. A pizza. Question 8. What is Emma drinking? A. Orange juice. B. Water. C. Milk. Question 9. Which animal is lying on the grass? A. The calf. B. The kitten. C. The chick. Question 10. How many birds are flying in the sky? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. Part C. Short answer. 11. Question 11. What is inside the picnic basket? Question 12. Where is the lamb? Question 13. What is the chick standing on? Question 14. What color is the barn? Question 15. Why do Emma and Tom enjoy the farm? Answers. Answer 1, true. Answer 2, false. Answer 3, true. Answer 4, false. Answer 5, true. 6B, on a farm. 7B, a sandwich. 8C, milk. 9A, the cow. 10B, 3. 11, bananas, grape, and a red apple. 12, near the fence. 13, a rock. 14, red. 15, because they love the peaceful countryside and enjoy spending time with animals.